Rick Edwards with Easytork Automation again. This is to show you how to use our EPV, which is our pilot valve. It is used with either direct air or someone else's solenoid in a remote position, running air to our solenoid or pilot valve. And this is how it comes in the box package. These are the parts that are in that package. And now I'm going to show you how to put it on. It basically goes on just like our solenoid valve did. And this demonstration is going to be for the closed position. Air here. Open. Close. Open. Close. Now I'm going to show you how to reverse this and do a fail open unit and how simple it is. Okay, removing the pilot valve on the fail close position. Taking this alignment screw out, and again you can either put it here or you can leave it off. You take the pilot valve and you turn it upside down, and I have to give it some air to get it in the fail open position. There's fail open, closed, open, closed. And that's how simple it is to go from fail closed to fail open position with our pilot valve.